look. This is yours. Should I open it? Okay, go ahead. Mom, you do. Okay.
Hold on, Linus. You gotta wait for me to tell you what to do.
I already know what to do.
You do, huh?
I'm looking at what is this?
That's for me. It's a weather station.
Please don't break it.
What's the weather station?
It tells you what the weather's gonna be like. If it's gonna be cold or warm, or it's gonna snow.
No. I love snow.
I know, me too.
Sorry.
Sorry. Done.
Put it down.
Put that down.
Wait.
TV.
No?
TV.
Don't you know, Mommy? I do everything on my own now.
What? Nothing. Let's get that.
Lining. Please don't do that.
Alright, people, we need to not play with this thing while I'm putting it together.
Now, I'm going to put it together
Penny,
with
no.
you.
There you
I'll do these thingies right here.
Okay, well wait, I gotta read the instructions first and figure out what it's gonna do. I'm not sure if it's in yet.
So wait.
Minus.
Bonnie, you've got a zillion toys that you just opened for Christmas. Why don't you go play with them instead of bothering Daddy?
First, I just get the instructions for this. Instructions.
What do you think, Hugo? You want me to open it?
How do we go around the